Hey guys, it's Jenny with Art for Good. So today we're going to tackle all things signing your artwork. I have seen this question pop up time and time again in some forums that I am a part of, and people have no idea how to sign their artwork, where, and what to use to sign it. So in this quick video, we're going to break it all down for you. The first thing we'll tackle is why you should sign your artwork. It's pretty straightforward. It's kind of going back to class where your teacher would dock you if you didn't sign your paperwork. It's really your mark on this piece of art that you are the one who created it. And people don't realize it's also a great branding opportunity, right? If there is someone who bought a painting from you maybe a few years ago at an art fair and they want now a new similar piece created and commissioned from you, they need to know how to get back in touch with you. They likely didn't keep your business card or whatever you handed out at the time. So if they look at the back of the painting or somewhere on the painting, they should be able to use that information to find you again or get back in touch with you. All right, now how to sign your artwork. There are a lot of different ways to do this. I've seen artists use paint and a paintbrush. I have seen people use a really neat custom created stamp that they stamp the back of the painting, with their information on it, which looks really classy. Or you could be like me, I use a simple acrylic paint marker. It's just easier for me to control and write on. And my favorite brand is Posca, and I've tried a lot of different brands that didn't work out so well. So I'll put a link in the description below to the exact set of Posca markers that I use that makes it totally seamless and very professional looking. Whatever you're using to sign your artwork, just make sure it's archival quality and acid free. That just means that it's gonna make sure not to do any damage to your painting long term. And last but not least, the most controversial part of this whole topic, and that is, where should you sign your artwork? Where is the right place to sign it? And I will tell you, there is no right place to sign it. Every artist has a different strategy and technique in deciding where to sign their art. I've seen people sign the front on the lower corner. I have seen people sign inside the composition of the painting. I've seen people sign the back. I've also seen people sign the edge if they're doing sort of using a thick gallery wrapped painting. People will sign the edge, which I think is kind of an edgy way to do it, pun intended. All right, so this is how I do it. This is a picture of the back of a painting I recently did. I use my Posca marker, really simple. I sign the back. I put my full name, I put my signature, the year that it was created, and I put the name of my business so that people can find me later. You can also put a website on here, social media handles, whatever you think is gonna be helpful. Please, I want to stress to put your full name spelled out on the piece. I was recently at a gallery and they were doing pickups of people's artwork from a community type show. And I was overhearing the staff talking about how frustrated they were. They couldn't get in touch with people who needed to pick up their artwork because nobody put their name on the back of their artwork. And so don't be that person, just sign it with your full name on the back. Now, if you're interested in other ways to finish your paintings, I have a whole playlist here that will be super helpful for you. It covers everything from how to do your own framing of your canvases, how to build your own frames, how to wire a canvas for hanging, and even how to cover the back of a super messy canvas so it looks professional and ready to sell. So click here if you want to keep watching some of those videos. And that's all the time I have for today. I'll see you next time.